Welcome to Bator International's Classic Online Motorcycle Sales. This very nice bike is a 1957 BSA A10 Cafe Racer. It's a really nice bike. I mean, its engine has just been totally built. Last time it was out, it topped out at 120 plus miles an hour. It's a Super Rocket pre-unit 650 motor, sporting 357 race cams. Has the factory twin carb conversion head with two AMAL GP carburetors. It's got a close ratio gearbox. And the chassis is a 1959 BSA Gold Star chassis. And as you can see, it's got the turn down bars, the alloy tank, solo seat, chrome fenders, and it is registered for this year. Red wing rear shocks, standard front forks, running a magneto, and all of the electrical is also converted to 12 volts, so the lights will actually help you as you're going 120 miles an hour down the road. Has alloy wheels, stainless spokes, 2-into-1 exhaust, and the engine is very fresh. So if you want a weekend warrior, or if you want a bike that you can take out to the track and do some AHRMA racing, this would make an excellent bike for that purpose. And again, very fresh and ready to go. This motorcycle, along with many others, can be viewed on our website at www.bator.international.com, or you can call me direct at 805-798-1802, and I'll be happy to speak to you about it.